our oversized folding camping chair.
Our oversized camping folding chair is going to be 25.2 inches long, 36.61 inches wide, and 39.37 inches high. And it's only going to weigh a total of 13.2 pounds. It also includes a large seat area with 600 by 300 D padded Oxford fabric and a padded armrest to ensure comfort of this chair. The frame is going to include a hammer-toned powder coating to prevent corrosion and fading. The sturdy steel frame construction can support up to 450 pounds. It also includes a durable mesh cup holder and armrest at the perfect height, which is going to allow you to relax in comfort. It also has a side storage pocket that you can put a drink or multiple drinks in. The folding camping chair is easy to set up and fold in seconds. It collapses down to just 9 inches by 39 inches and weighs only 13.2 pounds that can be stored almost.
The Kijaro Dual Lock chair features the Kijaro Dual Lock experience and is made from diamond ripstop polyester with a breathable mesh back. The Kijaro Dual Lock chair weighs just under 9.5 pounds, but can hold up to 300 pounds with no sag seating, 2 different sized mesh cup holders, and a side pocket organizer. The Kijaro Dual Lock chair provides you with superior seating and portability. Kijaro, journey on.
Hi there, I just got this rocking chair on Amazon. And this is a foldable rocking chair. You can use it in your house to rock your little baby or little child in it to calm them down. It's good at night if they're, just wanting a little bit of rocking. It rocks really easy, but it's also foldable and easy to bring with you anywhere you might go. You can use it outdoors. It's waterproof and, sturdy. It comes with this travel case right here, and I'll show you in a minute what it looks like when you fold it all up and put it inside the bag. It also has this side pocket thing that you can either attach or detach. Oh, hold on just a second. And you can even put like a water bottle, drink. I put my phone in here. Anything, if you're reading a book, you could slip that in there. And like I said, it's optional, so you can choose to have it or not. But it rocks really easily. You can see my daughter loves it. Really enjoys rocking in this chair. So so I really recommend this rocking chair. I got on Amazon, and I'll show you in just a second what it's like to fold it and how easy that is. So yeah, great.
Why is a rocking chair so universally loved? Because of the sense of total relaxation and stress relief it creates. The Freestyle Rocker from GCI Outdoor is a portable rocking chair for all of your on-the-go adventures. With a patent-pending spring-action rocking technology, the chair rocks smoothly with its uniquely designed rock shocks. The Freestyle Rocker provides a smooth and relaxing rocking motion on soft or hard terrains. The Freestyle Rocker is constructed of sturdy powder-coated steel that supports up to 250 pounds. Other features are padded armrests and a convenient beverage holder. The Freestyle Rocker folds up quickly and easily with patent-pending Easy Fold technology. Just pull up on the handle on the side of the seat to fold the chair. It has a convenient carry handle that lets you take this chair with you wherever you go. The Freestyle Rocker is ideal for camping, RVs, tailgating, music festivals, watching sports, and any outdoor activity. GCI Outdoor, the experts in portable recreation gear.